Hey guys, what's up? This is Nayan from Barrack, and today in this tutorial we're gonna learn how we can create our own radio station for free, and I mean completely free, and no payments have to be made. And it's very simple. And this tutorial is for Windows, Linux, and Macintosh, and I'm gonna talk about every OS in completely, and no OS is gonna be discriminated. So we'll talk about the Macintosh first, and before proceeding, we require some components, that is a host, a server, and a public URL, which we can give to our users or friends to listen to our radio online. And this is very simple to get. We just need to go to this website, caster.fm, and we need to register on this website first. But before registering, let me just tell you that register with your official information that you want to put, because this website allows only one ID to be registered per IP address. So once you register with your fake ID or something, you cannot register with that same. You cannot register with another ID using that same IP address. And if you want to do that, then you will have to use proxies. You can check out my video of how you can use proxies, but I would suggest you use your official data for your registration. And once you have registered, just log in. I'll just log in to my caster.fm account. So my ID was testtbs, and my password was, I'll just let you know later on. Just click on login, and once you log in, you can see that this is the dashboard, and you can see that our server is offline, so we need to start our server. Just click on start server, and then just verify that captcha image that comes. Once you do that, you get your server IP and other stuff, that is your port number, bitrate, and these are the settings of your server. So you have to configure this settings of your server on a software. So for Mac, if you want a free software, then we have the Butt broadcaster. And once you just search for Butt broadcaster on Google, just click on butt.sourceforge.net, and this is the broadcaster. Just install it, and I have the software also. And the other software is the paid software, that is Nicecast. You can just visit nicecast.com and you can download the software. Okay, just sorry for that, it's not nicecast.com, it's something else. Yeah, just search for Nicecast, and it is Rogue Amoeba. It's made by Rogue Amoeba. It's the company, I suppose. And just install this software. It's a paid one if you want a paid one. But Nicecast has much better features than Butt Broadcaster, and it has to be because Nicecast is charging us. So I've got both the softwares, and first we're gonna talk about the settings in the Butt Broadcaster. So I'll just switch on that application. Just search for Butt in your spotlight of your Mac, and once you do that, just click on settings, and then you need to have this server added. So I'm gonna add a new server, and this is an Icecast server, and we have to type the name of the server. That's up to us, whatever name we want to provide. Let's say in my case it is testtbs, that's my name of my radio, and the address is nothing but the server IP. So just copy paste this server IP into the address, and the port number again just copy paste it. And now the password, just type in whatever the password is over here. You can see it's testtbs in my case, so I'll just type in the password, and the mount pointer is gonna be slash and listen dot mp3. That is our mount point, and then just click on add. Once you click on add, you need to edit your stream info, what your radio is about. You can just have that what's your description of your radio, what kind of genre are you playing on your what kind of music genre are you playing, or is it only your news radio. That kind of information you can just type in, and then just click on save. You can type in anything you want according to your description or according to your radio, and then go to stream, and in that you need to have the bit rate to be 64 kbps, and 44,100 hertz should be sample rate. The channel is stereo, and the codec is mp3. Remember that, guys, it's mp3 and not ogg. And in the recording part, that's nothing else. And that's it, guys. Now what you need to do is just click on save, and now just select the server test tbs, and just click on play over here, and you can see it's on air directly, and whatever I'm speaking, it's on my website, that is testtbs.caster.fm. And you can find this link to your website by just clicking on the website button in your dashboard, and you will get the link. Just copy paste it. Find this link to your website by just clicking on the website. So you can see that whatever I'm speaking at the moment, it's being played online, and I can play it on my Android and even my iPhone and any other phone that is. It's very simple. On Android, it's damn simple because Android supports Flash, and I'll just show that part of how to play on Android and iPhone in the end of the video. So at the moment I'm just teaching how we can just connect to the broadcast and we can play it. So that was connecting to the radio online through butt broadcaster. So I'll just disconnect now, and I'm disconnected by just clicking on stop, and I can even record, and there are quite a lot of features. I would suggest you browse them yourself. So that's how you connect through butt. And now if you're having if you're having a Nicecast, then just click on Nicecast, and then go to window, and then click on show server. In show server, just click on add, and name your server. In my case, it is testtbs, and server type is again icecast2, and account, just don't type anything in the account is basically our username, and our username is source, so basically we don't have to type in our account name or username, you can say. Just type in the password, that is testtbs. In my case, type in the password that you have put, that's the broadcaster password, that you can find over here again in the control panel, server settings, over here, testtbs. So just type in that password, and now type in the address. uh, just copy paste the server IP, that's our address, and just paste it over there. And now select the port number, copy it, and then just paste it over there. And again it's gonna be mount slash and listen dot mp3, and a public URL is the URL where public can actually visit our radio online. So that is nothing but our website, Cast FM website, that is testtbs.caster.fm, and that was the settings. And now just click on the sidebar like that, and the settings have been applied, and just select this server. And now in the main nicecast.broadcast, select on source. You can select any source you want. I have selected iTunes. And info, this is the info about your radio, so you can just put in, it's just similar to the butt broadcaster. As I told you, you can put the genre and everything. Then you can have your titles. Then the quality, it has to be 64 kilobits per second and 44.100 kilohertz. The channel is stereo, and CPU usage you can just vary it the way you want. And share is nothing but public URL. Whatever we type in over here will come in the share part, and we can even have effects like some kind of echo or something like that if you want to in your radio broadcast. Once you have done all these things, just click on start broadcast, and you can see that iTunes will open up. Just wait for iTunes to open up, and once iTunes open up, whatever song you're gonna play in iTunes, whatever song you're gonna play in iTunes will be played on air. You can see the source is iTunes and it's on air. So it's pretty good to have Nicecast because it allows us to play our music online on air through directly through our iTunes, or we can even have our own podcast to be played online. I wouldn't suggest to play music because there might be some legal issues. So that's how the settings happen, and I'll just show you that the radio is online, and I've just refreshed the page, and you'll have the song name that is being played. You can see the song is Tum Ho from Rockstar and whoever is the singer, and I'll just increase the volume a bit. I cannot actually show you whether it's being played. I'll just show it to you on the Android. Just give me a second. Okay, so now I'm on my Android device. It is Samsung Galaxy S2. Just visiting my website, and just give me a second. Just click on go and it is loading up, and this is the flash player. It will just take a bit time to open up, and there you go, it opens up, and you can see that whatever I'm playing is being played. I'll just show that proof to you that I'm playing Tumho only. So that is the song, you can see that. So that was to prove that I've got connected via Nicecast, and I'll just stop the broadcast because that was it for the Mac part, and now we're gonna learn about the Windows part. So let me just switch off all these applications for the Mac. Okay, so now just give me a second. I'll just switch off these applications. Let's switch this off and go to my Windows. Okay, so now for the Windows part, we require two softwares, that is Winamp 5 and Edcast for Winamp. So first of all, we just need to go to your web browser, go to your website, that is caster.fm, and just log in into your account. Once you log in the dashboard there will be this section that is downloads, and there are two options, that is Winamp 5 and Edcast for Winamp. Just first install Winamp 5, directly click on free download, okay, so I'll be back once this is installed. Okay, so as you can see, the file has been downloaded, and now that was Winamp file. Now we need to install Edcast for Winamp. So just select for on this link, that is Edcast for Winamp. However, I have still posted the links at the in the description. You can use the description for those links also. So just once you click on Edcast for Winamp, just click on download once again, and select any one of the servers. That server 1 and server 2, have selected server 1, and just download it, and just wait till it gets downloaded. Okay, so once both the files we have both the files, just switch off the web browser for a while, go to your downloads wherever you have installed the file, and first install Winamp. So let's install Winamp now. Just select everything and select your preferences that you want. Just deselect these things because these are all promotion stuff for which Winamp gets paid. Okay, and then this driver scanner, if you want to install it, just install it. I do not want to install it, so I just select on that, and Winamp starts installing. Then you can just click on launch Winamp after this, something like that. I'll just click on finish. I don't want to launch Winamp. And then after that, install Edcast for Winamp. it will start installing some two files which we require. So just wait till it installs. The first file is already done, and now it is asking us whether we want to install this toolbar. We select no, and we have got this Nicecast. Now in this part, this is very important. You can see that all these files are already selected. We need to select lame encoder DLL for MP3 encoding and AAC encoder DLL for AAC encoding. Just select AAC. We might not require it at the moment, but in future we might require it. So just select these two also. Lame encoders is really very important because we are going to do online radio through MP3 encoding. So just click on next and then click on install. The destination should be Winamp. Yeah, let it be as it is, and click on install. And now you can see there's a pop-up where it says that if we want to install the MP3 encoder, we need to install lame underscore enc.dll, and this just click on yes. And for just give me a second. For AAC it is libfaac.dll. So just click on yes again. So you can see it takes us to two websites. Now just click on lame bundles, and in lame bundles we need to have lame underscore, just give me a second. Just actually just click on lame libraries, not on lame bundles. And in lame libraries we require lame underscore enc.dll. Just click on download and install it, and then just close after it is installed. Now for AAC, just click on decoders, I suppose. I forgot what name was it. I think it was encoders, sorry. And we require this libfaacdll. So just click on download and it should start the download. Then just click on close, and now just click on close for Nicecast also because we have installed it. Switch off your web browser and just go to the location where you have installed those two files. So the two files that I installed was lame DLL. One is this one, so I'll just drag it on the desktop, and the other is the AAC one. So just get this at the desktop and just explore these files. So when you just explore these files or open this files, we need to unzip them. So just drag the file to the desktop, the lame underscore enc file, and similarly just do the same thing for the AAC thing also. And now go to my computer. In my computer, go to C drive. In C drive, go to program files, and in program files we need to go to Winamp, and then just drag and drop these files directly into Winamp, and you won't get copy and replace. So just drag and install these two files, and once you do that, we need to open up Winamp. Just open up Winamp. You can have the new bento skin or whatever. Just select the skin that you want and select the preferences that you want to, and just select the preferences once again. Click on finish. If you want to register, just register. I didn't register, so just wait for Winamp to start up, and then click on add media to library or whatever you want. I have selected add media to library, and I selected my music folder, so it adds all the music in my music folder. So once you do that, just right click and just leave everything like that, and then click Ctrl P when you are in Winamp. After clicking Ctrl P, then go to DSP slash effect, then click on Nicecast, and once you click on Nicecast, I mean a single click, it will directly open up the Nicecast plugin, and then click on add encoder, and before adding the encoder, we have already added the encoder, we need to configure it. So before configuring it, just open up your web browser once again, and in your web browser you need to again go to caster.fm and log in into your account. So I'll just log in, and remember that the server should be on when you're logging in. My server is on, and now we need these settings once again. So just go to Edcast. Let me just get this on the side, and then just right click on the new encoder that you just added, and then click on configure. And in configure, in the basic settings, we want just click on use bitrate, select 64, and sample rate is perfect, channels is 2, we're gonna use stereo, that's why. Encoder type is mp3 lame, icecast 2 server type. The server is nothing but our IP address, that is 173.193.202.125, I suppose. Am I right? Yes. And then just type in the port. In my case, it is 138987. And then the password is that password that is there in your dashboard. That's the broadcaster password once again. It's test TBS in my case. The mount is slash listen dot mp3, and reconnect. Okay, that's fine. In the YP settings, this is again your settings. What is the name, what is the genre that you're playing, again the same thing. Then just click on OK, and then click on connect. Just select that thing, and just select this encoder, and then click on connect. You can see connected, and now whatever file that I'm gonna play on my Winamp, it will get played in the server. So let me just switch on my server first of all. Let me just give me a second. I'm just playing one more song. Okay, it's Sadda Haq now, and I'll just decrease the volume in Winamp, and it's already started playing, and we are already connected as I told you. So just visit your website where your radio is, and you can see I'm playing Sadda Haq, and when I just click on, you can see that it's already connected, and that's how you connect your radio online via your Winamp, and that's on Windows. You can even have your recorded settings and all that stuff, so it's all up to you. That was just for music, so that was for your Windows, and now we are gonna do it for Linux. So first let me just disconnect, and it's always good to disconnect. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, whenever you're switching off from the radio, just turn off your server, because it's always better to keep it off, and it reduces the load on caster.fm's server. And it's a good thing to do that, because they're providing so much of things to us for free, so it's always better to do something good. And just wait for some time. I'll be back, and I'll be back with Linux. Okay, so I'm back and I'm on Linux now. So on your Linux, and I'm using Ubuntu 11.04 Natty Navar, whatever you call it. We require a software that is Internet DJ console. So for that, you just need to go to Ubuntu Software Center, and in Ubuntu Software Center, just search for Internet DJ, and then just install this software. I've already installed it. After that, just go to your web browser on your Ubuntu, and again go to your account in caster.fm. Just log in into your account. And once you log in, you can see these settings once again. Now open up the application, that is Internet DJ console, and just select the profile that you wish to select. You can create a new profile if you want. Let's say I want to create a new profile and it is for test TBS. Just create it, and the profile will say it does not exist and we have to create it. Click on yes and import the settings from default. You can select any other profile if you want to import that kind of settings. After you click on yes, and it should pop up. And now what we need to do is we need to click on output. It's a complete DJ kind of software, so person who is into DJ might understand these stuff much well, but we just need to connect our radio online, so that's our main goal. So in just after clicking on output, just click on configuration, just tick mark, and then click on new, and then select the server type as Icecast2 master, and our host name is nothing but our server IP. Just copy paste it, and our port number is 13987. That's in my case. Just check the port number in your case, and you have to mount it in slash listen.mp3, and login name is source, and password is testtbs in my case, and it depends on what your broadcasting password you put, so just put that in. And server to be scanned for audience figures basically tells you how many people are listening to your radio online. Just click on OK, and you can see that we have added this thing. And now what we need to do is we just need to click on connect, and just give me a second, and it should get connected. Just click on group controls 1 and then click on connect, and you can see there was a yellow sign and now it's a green sign, which basically means that we have got connected to the server. And now in the main DJ console we need to add some songs, so just give me a second. I'll just add a few songs which I have. Let's put Nadan Parinde this time. Okay, so once you have all the songs sorted up, and then just start the song that you want to play online, because you are already online, and you will see that there's some tick 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 some kind of sound. It's very irritating, but that's gonna be there. And now when you just go to your website, that is testtbs dot whatever your website is, caster.fm, just go to your radio website, and you can see that the radio is on, and the song that we are playing is Nadan Parinde this time. Okay, we need a flash player. Okay, I don't have a flash player on this. Let me just show it to you on Android that it's working. So just go to the website on your Android, and then just click on play, and you can see it started playing Nadan Parinde, and it is actually Nadan Parinde. Let me just, you can see that, and it hangs quite a lot. You need to do some settings so that it does not hang online. That's one thing that you need to note down for this software. uh, I have not found any other software apart from this which works so well on Ubuntu. So that was the only software that I know for Ubuntu. Okay guys, so now we're gonna stream our online radio, uh, that is our caster.fm radio, which we made on our iPhone or our iPad. It's very simple. Since iPhone and iPad doesn't support Flash, we're gonna have something else to work around. Let's just visit the website first. Once you just visit the link of your radio, then just hang on, and you can see that there's a live broadcast that's going on, and just below that there is this option tune in with your media player. We need to click on that, and that's simply because iPhone and iPad don't support flash. So you can see this option where it shows will generate unique tune in links. So just wait till it generates the links. You have a direct link too, but I don't know, iPhone and iPad does not allow to select this link on the web browser. This link works with iPhone and iPad, but it's not allowing us to select that link. So what we are gonna basically do is select this link, that is the VLC link. Just click on it and it should start playing the song. Just hang on. You can see that's showing streaming. That's basically it. That's how you can stream actually the songs. I'll just show you that I was actually streaming Nadan Parinde. That's my Nicecast thing, and there is Nadan Parinde being played. And let me just mute this volume also, so you can actually see that it's being actually played from the iPad. And it was very simple, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and visit techbarrack.com.